Great Town. Ngihleli lapha phansi ngiyayicabanga lento ifear ukuthi ifear iyenza ukuthi sometimes ungayireach idestiny yakho ungafiki endaweni uNkulunkulu akubekela ukuthi ufike kuyona. And on our way here, I was reiterating to myself, and I want to share this with you guys. This is from something that was written years ago from one writer to another. It's an affirmation. It's I'm in charge of myself. I'm a walking clock. The coming and going of time. I am no longer tied to the longing of things that do not long for me. I belong solely to the spaces that crave me as much as I crave them. I need where I am needed. I dance where I'm celebrated. I am done selling myself short for inadequate love, for scanty love, as if I wasn't born with an entire kingdom in my belly, as if I wasn't born with enough salt water in my fist. I have risen from many queens and legions of prayer warriors who gracefully stood on the firing line for me to be where I am today, for me to be who I was always meant to be. I will not keep shrinking so that others can claim dominance over myself. To say they have saved me where they have many times used my name in their prayers, their favorite hymns after God. I am like air, unbound, constantly recreating and ridding myself of things and people that no longer appease me. I am lands of green and bountiful. I am a place of immeasurable wealth. This is what I would wish that you guys, that you guys would take away. I think even from the book that Unomkosi has written, it also, I feel, is an ode of the love that we should have for ourselves, of the love that should be the first thing